Okay, I've been here at school for about 4 hours, and I'm going to show you that back room. Don't look in the background right now, but I'm going to show you that back room that needs to be dealt with. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is that area they wanted clear. That's as clear as it's going to get. Now, it has a floor. Okay, I've got games and stuff back here. I have things to put on these shelves. Just wait and see. But I am organizing things as best I can. Like gross motor stuff down there. That's bulletin board stuff. Coming up into some craft stuff. Here's all my bins. I made new labels. I just don't have enough tape to put them on. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this bin and this bin. And this bin will quite possibly just be put into the other bins for its time of year. Like if it's St. Nicholas Day that you can see right there, I'll put it in with Christmas or gingerbread. But everything has its own bin. Yay. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Okay, now I'm going to turn this way. This etagere was in that supply closet. I'm going to back it up a little bit. And they wanted me to clear, not a supply closet, a furnace room that I used as a supply closet. So what I did is I've got some Play-Doh stuff here. This is all the packing tape I have, so I can't put my labels on. I've got cookie cutters. I've got more cookie cutters, Play-Doh tools, and then everything from here on down is alphabet stuff. So I feel pretty good about that. All right, over here, these 4 crates are my dramatic play stuff. And they are not stuffed to the gills, but they are all labeled with what is in them, because everybody comes in here to use these. So they are going to know. This is all my felt stuff. I just got to put that inside. I have just a little bit of books left here and curriculum materials. Here's my giant eraser collection. In all these boxes are my bugs, my paper cutter, just some things that I'm going to decide if I'm going to use or not. I made this little jar with these little mice, and I read mouse count. It's got a little sock in there that I turned into a snake. It's so cute. But I've got 2 bins here that will go where the alphabet is. So I will have that shelf empty and that shelf empty. The one that's half empty. So here I've got some of my dramatic play stuff, my little old lady. I'm sure I'll put other things on that shelf. But I started putting like the toys that I use for dramatic play. These are in here and not in our group closet because they're mine. And I'm going to have grandbabies one day and they're going to play with all this stuff. More stuff is here. But as you can see, I left a spot open so that the teacher's aides have a place to put their purse and their coat. All this is sensory stuff, except for aprons and stuff like that. That is stuff I use for sensory bins, sensory. So it's a lot more organized. Okay, so I've been working hard for about 4 hours on all this stuff. I'm not going home yet. I've got to show you the room. You're gonna die. Okay. All those are empty. We don't have a recycling bin right now because we don't have a parking lot. Brought my vacuum from home. All this is just stuff that even though I've made space back there, I gotta decide what I'm gonna throw away and what goes where. So I'll be here another couple hours. Okay, it is a little bit after 6. I've been here since noon, but I don't have to come back until contract week because It is almost ready to go. Like I said, I can't get rid of any of this because we don't have a garbage bin or recycling. But you guys, I not only cleared out that closet, made space in that closet, all I have to do contract week is put cubby names, placemats, set things up for the end, and there will be lots of us here. So I'm gonna be done until school starts. I don't want to come back. Okay, so I feel so much better. I got the bulk of my stuff done. I am here first thing in the morning, no makeup. I'm in my ugly. Every part of my body hurts. I have a headache, and people who say that teachers don't work on summer break have never met a real teacher, is all I'm going to say, because that was a 6-hour day yesterday in that classroom, self-imposed, but there's no way I could do that and everything I need to do to get ready for the first of the year. So that is what is possible. Not when you just work 1 or 2 hours a day, like I said in one of my previous videos, but when you spend 2 6-hour days in your classroom and really get it done. You've got to be in the right mindset or it's not going to happen. Luckily, I was, and I know if I'm in that mindset, I've just got to do it and power through. There will be a nap in my future today. But that's where I am now. This is the video that never ended. I said in that video I wasn't going back. I'm going back tomorrow. I lied. I'm going back tomorrow. I'm not going to spend 4 to 6 hours there. Hopefully I'll only spend at tops 2, maybe 3. I was really irritated that my bins are all different sizes, so I ordered more bins, and I just want that back room to look amazing and be the best it's ever been, because this is like the beginning of just such a fresh new start for me. And sharing a classroom, I want her to know that everything is the best that it can be as well. So I'm gonna do a short video tomorrow in my classroom with all the labels on the bins and everything ready to go. So I'm super excited about that. So hang in, tomorrow or Sunday, it will come.